Hi, today in front of me Realme C33 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first we should press power off button for a couple of seconds, and now we can see here that the Google Assistant is activated. If you want to use the power key button to turn off your device, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the system section, then click to the gestures and tap to press and hold power button. Just we should here turn off Google Assistant, so click on the switcher to turn it off and press and hold the power key, and we can see that we can turn off the device and restart it. Just click to power off icon, wait a couple of seconds, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.